How to sign in to Expert Option application using your mobile device or tablets. Are you on Expert Option app and want to sign into your existing account? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open the Expert Option app on your device. From this page, go ahead and tap the register button at the bottom left corner. This will open up the register and the login interface. To log into your existing account, tap on Login from the top. Now, you'll need to go fill in your email and password associated with your Expert Option account. But if you've previously signed in with Facebook or Google, go ahead and select the Facebook or Google option from the bottom menu. Since I've created an account with email, I'm gonna type in an email at the top. Go enter your registered email address for Expert Option, and in the password field at the bottom, type down the correct password for your account. If you don't remember the password, tap on this Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you remember your password, type it down easily and carefully. Finally, click Login. Now you will be able to log in to your existing Expert Option account using the Expert Option app on your Android quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.